Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to apply the GoodLock app launcher widget on your home screen. So Samsung's GoodLock app, which is downloadable from the Galaxy Store, gives you a powerful customization tools. So with One UI 8, the app launcher widget lets you create a mini app drawer or a custom launcher layout directly on your home screen. So no more going to GoodLock and then going through all these menus. You can just go ahead and create a GoodLock launcher like this. And here you can go ahead and choose all these different apps to play around with. So let me show you how to add this. So to add this, go ahead and long press on your home screen or just pinch, then tap on widgets, scroll down and find GoodLock. Here you have a choice of two, so GoodLock apps or the GoodLock here. Basically added both of them. So the GoodLock app launcher is right here, which you get this. And the other one is this one here. So as you can see, this adds flexibility beyond your Samsung's default launcher. It lets you organize your apps your own way, grids, folders, or custom design. And this is a must-have for power users who love customizing their phone. So there you go, guys. That is how to add the GoodLock app launcher widget on your home screen for your Samsung Galaxy device.